So Java is simple. A Java programmer doesn't need to know the internal function of Java, how is memory is allocated to the data. In C and C++ program, the memory allocation and deallocation it can perform by using of pointer concept. So here pointer concept is totally removed. Okay, memory management is going on by using of constructor and destructor. The pointer is removed by using of constructor and destructor. It is happened. Java support the object-oriented approach to develop the program, and it is used compile and interpreted. Interpreter means what? When you are using interpreter, it just check one line program. Okay, suppose you are writing a 100-line program. The first you write the program, it will check. It is correct, then it is going to the next line. It is correct, then going to the next line. Suppose if you have 100 lines of code, and your interpreter is checking, and it comes to the 99 number of lines. So when it comes to the 99 number of line, and at that timing there is a error, then interpreter is going to the beginning. It is not starting from the after that. Now it is not going to the 99. Okay. So it is going to the, if you move to the 99 to 100, okay, so it is not happening. So it is again check from the beginning. Okay. Next is what? When you are using a compiler, it is not happening like that. Okay. So if there is a error in 99 number of line, it comes to the 100. But in the Java, both are working. Compiler is working and interpreter is working. Okay. And the faster, which one is the faster? The interpreter is the faster because it is checked one by one. Compiler is slower. But here by using of interpreter and compiler, both are working in the word in Java. Portable, it refers to the ability of a program to run on any platform without changing the source. The portable, it refers to the ability of program to run on any platform without changing the source. So when you are writing, like when you are writing a C program, you are writing what? stdio.h. Then you are writing a conio.h. So in every part, conio.h is not required. In some ID, you require using namespace std. When you are writing the C program in the Visual Studio, you have to write another header line using namespace std. Okay, but in the Turbo C it is not required. So when you are moving one ID to the another ID, then you have to write the extra piece of code. But in the Java, it is not. In every platform, it is same. Without changing any source code, you are getting the same kind of output. Okay. So write this 4 point. It is a structure how Java file is actually working. First, the Java file is stored with the extension of .java. Then by using of Java compiler, it is converted to the .class file. .class file is nothing but it is called the bytecode. Then bytecode is converted to the machine code by using of JVM. You think about one example. PM Modi is going to the United Nations and give a speech in Hindi. So in United States, every person is not like so talented, they know the Hindi. So one, they using what? A headphone. So the headphone is converted to the corresponding language, English. Like some person is there, like if you're talking about the Afghanistan, they are not knowing the English. Okay, so now this English language is converted to the Urdu by using of this JVM. Suppose in the French, some other person is there, he is not knowing about the English, then it is converted to the French language. Okay, So this is a bytecode. This bytecode is converted to the machine code by using of the JVM, and that JVM is present in the different operating system. The JVM is another translator. Okay, but actually JVM is the engine of a Java, which is responsible that all the codings that you have to written, it is correct or not. It is looking about the execution. It is looking about the conversion. Okay, so it is all the thing is happen in the form of a what total architecture. Okay. So distributed Java is designed for a distributed environment of internet because it supports the various internet protocol. It supports the TCP and IP. When your system is connected to the internet, it has one internet address that is called the IP address. So when you are giving a request to the server, suppose at the same time multiple people is giving a request to the Facebook server. So at that timing, TCP convert all the requests into a small packet. The TCP सब request को छोटा छोटा packet में convert करेगी कोटे line में पके दो. It put into a line. And TCP verify that which server you are requesting for. Suppose I am requesting for the Google, I am requesting for Facebook. That response I am getting or not. Now, which server you are requesting for, that response you are getting or not. So that is verified by the TCP. So as Java support the TCP and IP, so it is called the distributed language. Okay, and it is secure. Java has built-in security feature that verify that the program do not perform any destructive tasks such as accessing the file in the remote system. Suppose if I want to install some software in your device and you are present in Kolkata or in Mumbai, so by taking your system in a remote, I can do it. But same thing, if you want to install any app in your mobile phone, just install the TeamViewer and try it. It is not happening. Your mobile phone is having an Android operating system and it is backend by the Linux operating system. Android is backend by the Linux operating system. Linux is not allowing to do the third party to do any modification over it. If you show anything, then other person can view it. But the other person even cannot perform any tags in your mobile. It is so much secure. Okay. And somehow you can say like all the viruses are developed in the Java and antivirus is developed in Java. It is so much secure. Linux operating system, you can say like your Android, it is Android mobile phone, it requires any kind of antivirus. But when you purchase any kind of Windows operating system, they're suggesting that you have to install the antivirus. It may be hamper your device, but Linux is not asking. Your Android phone is not asking. Any salesperson is saying that you purchase this Samsung mobile phone up to this and iPhone that you have to install this antivirus, McAfee or Kaspersky. Nobody is saying that. Because they know that there is a already security feature is there. How like when you want to install any kind of unknown app, it is asking you, it is a or giving a warning. Okay, do you want to go for suicide? Yes, then you are suicide, then you are murder. Okay, so it is asking it. It is the warning message it is showing. Okay, in the window it is not showing any warning. But now in the Windows 11, like so much security is there. Okay, in Windows 10 and 11 security is there, but before that there is no security. You can install any kind of app. Unknown app is installed. Okay, XP is like completely open platform. You can install anything. Okay, 7 little bit security is there, but it is not so much secure. But from the 10 to 11 now it is secure, but it is not so much secure. But now it is secure. Okay. Good. Have you? Good. হ্যাক কিন্তু করো তোমার সিস্টেমটা হ্যাক নাকি তোমার যে ফোন পে পয়সা স্ক্যান করে দিয়ে দাও দেখে ডেটা পড়ে তুমি ইন্টারনেটে ইলিগাল ইউজ করে তোমরা টাকা মনে করবে না Okay, so it is a feature of this one. Okay, so next in the next class, I go for Java architecture. Okay, okay, काली तो हम college करियो नहीं, टाइमिंग कौन कौन होइबो?